In today's world, where road safety and vehicle security are increasingly critical, dash cams have become essential for many drivers. The PRUVEEO 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam stands out with its promise of comprehensive 4-channel recording, advanced features, and a competitive price point. This detailed review explores its specifications, features, user experiences, and both its strengths and weaknesses, drawing from official product details, customer reviews, and professional analyses to provide a thorough evaluation as of March 13, 2025. The PRUVEEO dashcam is engineered for 360-degree coverage, featuring 4 cameras, front, rear, and 2 interior, left and right. Each camera records in Quad FHD 1920 by 1080p resolution, ensuring high-quality footage. The front camera has a 150-degree super wide-angle lens, while the interior cameras are adjustable for flexibility. A 3-inch LCD screen facilitates easy navigation and playback. Night vision, enhanced by the F1. 8 aperture and infrared lights, performs well in low-light conditions. The built-in GPS logger provides accurate location and speed data displayed on a map via the mobile app. However, app connectivity can be inconsistent, with some users experiencing lag or difficulty pairing. Loop recording and G-sensor functionality work seamlessly to ensure critical footage is preserved during accidents or incidents. The included 128GB memory card provides ample storage, lasting up to 2 weeks on a road trip. While the suction mount is easy to use, it may not be as stable as adhesive mounts in high-heat environments or during rapid temperature changes. To assess real-world performance, we analyzed feedback from various platforms, including Amazon, Reddit, and professional review sites like GadgetGuardians.com and DashCamDiscount.com. Users consistently highlight the dashcam's comprehensive coverage, with 4 cameras eliminating blind spots. A Reddit user described it as having a film crew tailing your ride, emphasizing the peace of mind it provides for accident documentation. Video quality is another strong point, with Quad HD 1080p resolution delivering sharp, clear footage even at high speeds. Night vision is particularly praised, with users noting clear recordings in low-light conditions, thanks to the f1.8 aperture and infrared lights. The built-in GPS is valued for logging precise location and speed data, crucial for insurance claims or trip tracking. Installation is frequently described as straightforward, with the suction mount allowing quick setup without tools. The included manual is clear, and the package comes with all necessary accessories, including the 128GB memory card. Additional features like loop recording, emergency accident lock via G-sensor, parking mode, and Wi-Fi connectivity add significant value. The mobile app, while not perfect, allows easy access and sharing of footage. At a price point under $200, users find it offers excellent value compared to competitors, delivering features typically found in more expensive models. Despite its strengths, the PRUVEEO dashcam has notable drawbacks. Its size, approximately 5.98 by 1.69 by 4.6 inches, and weighing 7.2 ounces, is larger than some alternatives, potentially obstructing the driver's view slightly. Connectivity issues are a common complaint, with several users reporting intermittent Wi-Fi connectivity when pairing with the mobile app. Some experience lag or freezing when streaming live footage, which can be frustrating. Cable management is another challenge, with 4 cameras leading to messy wiring if not organized properly. Users recommend additional cable management accessories for a neater installation. The rear camera mounting options are limited, making installation in certain vehicles more challenging, as highlighted in the dashcam discount review. Additionally, the dashcam is described as power-hungry, potentially draining the car's battery if left on for extended periods without a hardwire kit, especially in parking mode. The PRUVEEO dashcam is a feature-rich device that offers unparalleled coverage with its 4-camera system. Its high video quality, robust night vision, and useful features like GPS tracking and parking mode make it a strong contender for drivers seeking enhanced safety and security. At under $200, it provides excellent value, especially for those prioritizing comprehensive coverage over minor inconveniences. However, it is not without flaws. Its bulky design may slightly obstruct the driver's view, and connectivity issues with the mobile app can be frustrating. Cable management can be tricky, and the lack of a battery means it requires constant power, which could drain the car's battery if not managed properly. Privacy concerns related to interior recording may also be a consideration for some users. For drivers looking for a cost-effective, feature-packed dashcam, the PRUVEEO is likely a solid choice. Thanks for watching this review. You can purchase this dashcam using the link in the description below.